Welcome to the Chicago Real Estate Podcast, brought to you by Cobblestone Realty, where each and every week we bring to you advice on buying, selling, or investing in real estate. Tune in every week to hear what is going on in the market right now and for interviews with the professionals you didn't know you need to know, like inspectors, insurance agents, appraisers, contractors, lenders, and attorneys.
Hi, everybody, and welcome to episode number 11 of the podcast. This is your host, Ricardo Rodriguez. I'm a realtor and owner here at Cobblestone Realty. And on today's episode, I'm going to go over 7 things to avoid after applying for a mortgage. So let's get started. Congrats, you've been pre-approved for a mortgage and have found a home to buy. You're undoubtedly excited about the opportunity to be a homeowner, but before you make any large purchases, move your money around, or make any big-time life changes, here are 7 things you shouldn't do after getting pre-approved for a mortgage. Now, some of these may seem obvious, but some may not. I have seen time and time again deals fall through because of some of the things I'm about to mention. So here we go. Number 1, don't change jobs or the way you are paid at your job. Your loan officer has to be able to track the source and the amount of your annual income. If possible, you'll want to avoid changing jobs, changing from salary to commission, or becoming self-employed during that time. Number 2, don't deposit cash into your bank accounts. Lenders need to source your money, and cash is not really traceable. Before you deposit any amount of cash into your accounts, discuss the proper way to document your transactions with your loan officer. Number 3, don't make any large purchases like a new car or furniture for your new home. New debt comes with new monthly obligations, and new obligations create new qualifications. People with new debt have a higher debt-to-income ratio, and higher ratios make for riskier loans. Sometimes those qualified borrowers no longer qualify. So please wait until you have closed on the house to make any large purchases. Number 4, don't co-sign on other loans for anyone. When you co-sign, you are obligated. And as I mentioned just now, with that obligation comes high ratios as well. Even if you swear you will not be the one making those payments, your lender will have to count the payments against you. Number 5, don't change bank accounts. Remember, lenders need to source and track assets. That task is significantly easier when there's consistency amongst your accounts. Before you even transfer any money, talk to your loan officer. Number 6, don't apply for new credit. It doesn't matter whether it's a new credit card or a new car. When you have your credit report run by organizations and multiple financial channels, mortgage, credit card, auto, etc., your FICO score will be affected. Lower credit scores can determine your interest rate and maybe even your eligibility for a loan. And lastly, number 7, don't close any credit accounts. Many clients erroneously believe that having less available credit makes them less risky and more likely to be approved. Wrong. A major component of your score is your length and depth of credit history, as opposed to just your payment history, and your total usage of credit as a percentage of available credit. Closing accounts has a negative impact on both of those determinants in your score. The bottom line is that any blip in income, assets, or credit should be reviewed and executed in a way that ensures your home loan can still be approved. The best advice is to fully disclose and discuss your plans with your loan officer before you do anything financial in nature. That concludes episode 11 of the podcast. Thank you so much for listening to the show today. You guys have a good one, and I will see you next time.
If you know someone that can benefit from this information, please share this episode with them. Also, don't forget to subscribe and rate us on iTunes, as that would help us reach more people. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at Cobblestone Realty Shy. See you next time.